Here at Acura Pickering, we have a Drive Shield certified 2017 Acura MDX navigation package with all-wheel drive. Here's a quick look at the outside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has memory seat functions for 2 different drivers, power mirrors, locks, and all automatic windows. Power tailgate button located down below. Power seating and lumbar support with full leather interior, along with a sunroof up top. This vehicle can seat up to 7 passengers, with 2 seats in the front and 5 seats in the rear. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls, plus adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a heated steering wheel. It also has a built-in navigation system. To assist with parking, this vehicle has a rear view camera with 3 different viewing modes. There's a top-down view, wide view, and a normal view. For audio sources, this vehicle has FM, AM, and XM radio stations, a CD player, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio. For further convenience, this vehicle has heated seating, dual climate controls, push-to-start engine, and many more great features.